Hello out there in YouTube land. Just thought I'd come out, had an errand to run, so I thought I'd get in a quick video while I'm out. So what I'm going to do is something called the 10-click challenge, where I take 10 photos, but no extras, no backups. Got to try and get the shot one time. The original link where I saw this done, I'm going to put down below. It's a guy in London, and yeah, so we're about to get into it. Oh, by the way, I'm filming point of view with the Osmo Action 4 on the neck mount. Sorry about that. And I've got my DJI wireless mic 2 attached to my hat for a change. So let's see what we get. Okay, so first shot I want to try and get is that boat right there, and I reckon I can get that. Good image. Okay. Oh, since I'm here, may as well cut through the train station vestibule, as it were. Downtown Yonkers Metro North train station. There are a few notable celebrities came from out of Yonkers. One of them would be Ella Fitzgerald, great jazz singer, and so we have a statue of her right here. Let's see now. I feel like okay. So that's 2. 8 to go. Okay. So it's a pretty nice day out here. It's let me see. It's 86 degrees right now. Okay, so one of the things about downtown Yonkers here is this is where the Sawmill River outlets into the Hudson River. It's a tributary. So for a long time the sawmill flowed underground, acting as basically a glorified sewer. But then a while ago, a few years ago, they opened it up. They did a daylighting project. So let's see what we can get here. Yeah, I think that's a vertical shot. That's 3. Now, there used to be a water ferry running from this pier down to Manhattan, but they stopped that quite a while ago. Okay. But since I'm here, I'm not sure if this is an art installation or an actual bike stand. I suppose it could be both. But it's always intrigued me. So let's see what I can get there. Maybe not that side. My wife is fond of doing up shots, so I think I'm going to try and get one here. Let's see if I can fit everything in. Okay, so from here you can see down to the George Washington Bridge, and beyond that is the island of Manhattan. Across there is the Palisades of New Jersey, and this is the Hudson River, and that goes all the way upstate. I can make out, you probably can't see it from here, the Tappan Zee Bridge. People like to come out here and walk and sit and reflect, eat their lunch. All the kind of things you can do in a nice tidy space like this. There are all kind of birds that like to fish from here. So it's just cormorants and sort of like this with the perspective, leading lines and such. Now, I like this table and chair setup. Okay, so I got to thinking that since I'm out here in this hot heat, and there is a little breeze but not much of one, but since I'm out here, I think I might just stop in and engage in some liquid refreshment. So by my count, I've got 2 shots left in this 10-clip challenge. Just enjoyed a quick lunch there at Yonkers brewery. So I'm gonna knock off these last 2 and go on home and get this video up. So since I'm here, and since it's all historical and stuff, I think this should be the next picture. Okay. I think this might be number 10. There we go. Okay, so that was my take on the 10-click challenge. I think some of those came out okay. Obviously, I don't know at the time that I'm recording this. I will take them home, edit them a little bit if need be. But I find that a lot of the pictures out of the iPhone, you don't really have to do much. If you liked it, please hit the like. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know with a comment. Thanks for watching.